In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Canva. If you've ever added a photo or graphic to your Canva design and wanted to reverse its direction, this is a very quick edit that can make a big visual difference. Flipping an image is useful when you want to improve the balance of your layout, make a subject face the opposite direction, or simply try a different look without replacing the image. To get started, open your Canva design and go to the workspace where your image is already placed. Once you can see the image on your canvas, click on it to select it. This step is important because Canva only shows image editing controls when the image itself is actively selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the selection border around it. After selecting the image, look for the Flip button in the toolbar. If you're using Canva on a computer, you'll typically find this option in the top toolbar. If you're using Canva on mobile, the same option is usually available in the bottom menu. The location may look slightly different depending on your device, but the feature works the same way. Once you tap or click Flip, you'll see two choices: Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Flip Horizontal will reverse the image from left to right. This is the option you'll use most often if you want the image to face the opposite direction. Flip Vertical will turn the image upside down by reversing it from top to bottom. That can be useful for certain creative effects, reflections, or stylized layouts. Choose the option that gives you the result you want, and Canva will apply the change instantly. This makes it easy to test both directions and decide which version fits your design better. If the flipped version doesn't look right, you can simply switch back by choosing the opposite flip option again. A helpful tip is to look at the overall composition of your design after flipping the image. Even though the change takes only a second, it can strongly affect how the viewer